I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Samsung Edge app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on my page down here. So when you click here on my page, it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings. So then you come to this list here, you click here on notifications. When you click on notifications, it's going to take us to this list. Then you come here to virtual window here, prediction here. So then you click in this sign here that like you see this color show for us. That's my virtual window prediction. It's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. So for notifications, of course, that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.